Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enjoy Learning English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello to all our kind friends who love learning English with us.
We are so happy you are here today. We make it calm, slow, and very easy for you.
Yes, no stress, just nice listening and speaking practice. Today, our topic is very useful, talking about health basics in easy daily English dialogues.
Perfect for A1 and A2 level. Short sentences, easy words, lots of repetitions so your brain remembers. Before we start our conversation, think for a second. Have you ever wanted to tell someone, "I feel sick" in English, but the words didn't come? Or maybe you heard someone say, "I have a cold," and you understood, but you couldn't answer back? Today we change that, step by step, word by word.
Great. Let's begin with small talk, just like real friends talking.
Good morning, Paul. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Emily. I feel wonderful today, full of energy. How about you?
I'm good too. I slept well last night, 8 hours. That makes me feel strong.
Sleep is very important for health. Everyone listening, do you sleep enough?
Yes, tell us in the comments later. Now, let's talk about when things are not perfect.
Okay. Emily, sometimes I wake up and my head feels heavy.
Oh, you can say, "I have a headache." Very simple. Headache.
Headache. Let me spell it slowly. Headache. Headache.
Repeat after me, friends. I have a headache.
I have a headache.
Good. Say it 3 times. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache.
Now you try out loud. Don't be shy. Your voice is important.
What if your tummy is not happy?
My tummy hurts, or more common, my stomach hurts. Stomach.
Stomach. STOMACH. And when it's stronger, I have a stomachache.
Stomachache. One word. STOMACHEHE. Stomachache.
Repeat. My stomach hurts. I have a stomachache.
My stomach hurts. I have a stomachache.
Excellent. Many people say this after eating spicy food or too much food.
Yes. I remember one time I ate too many samosas. My stomach hurt all night.
Oh no, Paul. Poor you. Now let's add more. What if you feel hot in your body?
That is a fever. I have a fever.
Fever. FEVER. Fever.
I have a fever. Sometimes people say, I feel feverish, but I have a fever is easier.
Yes, and you can check with, "Do you have a fever?"
Good question. Now, sore throat.
Sore throat. My throat hurts. Or, I have a sore throat.
Sore. SORE. Throat. THROAT. Sore throat.
Repeat. I have a sore throat.
I have a sore throat.
When you have sore throat, you can also cough.
Cough. COUGH. I cough. I have a cough.
Yes, I have a cough. Or, I am coughing a lot.
Coughing. COUGHING.
Now, runny nose.
Runny nose. My nose is running. Or I have a runny nose.
Runny. RUNNY. Nose. NOSE. Runny nose.
Very common when you have a cold.
Yes, I have a cold. Here, cold means illness, not the weather.
Important difference. Weather cold is it's cold today. Illness is I have a cold.
Good point. Now, let's make our first real dialogue. Imagine I call you because I don't feel well.
Okay, phone rings. Ring ring.
Hello, Paul?
Hi, Emily. How are you?
Not very good today. I don't feel well.
Oh dear, what's the matter?
I have a headache and I feel very tired.
I'm sorry. Do you have a fever?
Maybe a small fever. I also have a sore throat.
Sore throat too. Do you cough?
Yes, a little cough.
Okay, drink warm water, maybe with honey and lemon. Rest a lot.
Thank you, Paul. That's good advice.
Call me if it gets worse. Feel better soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
See, that was natural, not hard, just simple sentences.
Everyone, pause if you want. Repeat the dialogue with us.
I don't feel well.
What's the matter?
I have a headache.
Do you have a fever?
I have a sore throat.
Rest a lot.
Feel better soon.
Feel better soon.
Now, let's go to the doctor. This is very useful.
When you enter the doctor's room,
Hello, doctor.
hello, please sit. What brings you here today?
I don't feel good. I feel sick.
Sick. S-I-C-K. I feel sick.
Yes, I have pain in my back.
Pain. P-A-I-N. Back pain.
Or I have back pain.
The doctor may ask, where does it hurt?
Here, in my lower back, and I feel tired all the time.
Do you have a fever?
No fever, but I have no energy.
No energy, or I feel weak. Weak. W-E-A-K. I feel weak.
Good. Now let's do a full doctor visit.
I am the patient. You are the doctor.
Hello, welcome. How are you feeling?
Not good, doctor. I have a bad cold.
A bad cold. Tell me more.
I have a runny nose. I cough a lot, and my head hurts.
I see. Any fever?
Yes, last night I had a fever.
Okay, open your mouth, please. Say, ah.
Ah,
Your throat looks red. Let me check your temperature.
okay.
38.2 degrees. Mild fever. You have a virus, probably.
What should I do?
Rest at home. Drink lots of fluids. Water, soup, tea.
Fluids. F-L-U-I-D-S. Fluids.
Yes, take this medicine, 1 tablet 3 times a day after food.
After food. Okay.
No work for 2 days. Come back if it doesn't improve.
Thank you, doctor.
Take care. Get well soon.
Take care. Get well soon. That felt real. Now let's add more symptoms.
Dizzy. D-I-Z-Z-Y. I feel dizzy.
Like the room is moving.
Yes, or I feel nauseous.
Nauseous. N-A-U-S-H-E-O-U-S. I feel nauseous.
That means you might vomit.
Vomit. V-O-M-I-T. Or easy, I feel like vomiting.
Another one, I have ear pain.
Ear. E-A-R. Ear pain.
Or tooth pain. Tooth, T-O-O-T-H.
Toothache. T-O-O-T-H-A-C-H-E. Toothache.
Very painful.
Yes. Now let's talk about telling your family.
Example, Mom, I don't feel well.
What's wrong, my child?
My stomach hurts and I feel hot.
Oh no. Let me touch your head. Yes, you have fever.
Can I stay home today?
Yes, rest. I will make soup for you.
Thank you, Mom.
Nice and warm.
Now, at work, how to tell your boss.
Hello, sir. I need to talk.
Yes?
I can't come today. I am sick.
Oh, what happened?
I have fever and cough. I need to rest.
Okay, take care of yourself. Get well soon. See you when you are better.
Thank you, sir.
Simple, polite. Now, pharmacy, buying medicine.
Hello, I need something for headache.
Sure, do you have other problems?
Yes, fever too.
This tablet is good. One every 6 hours, with water.
With water. Okay. How much?
$3.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Feel better.
Thank you.
Easy shopping. Now let's practice more. Repeat these.
I feel sick.
I have a cold.
My head hurts.
I need medicine.
Drink water.
Rest well.
Take care.
Get well soon.
Say them slowly first, then normal speed.
Good habit. Every day when you wake up, ask yourself in English, how do I feel today?
Answer,